Hey tech fans, welcome back to Phenom Builts. Today, we're diving into the 7 best robotic pool cleaners 2025. From game-changing features to standout performance, these are the must-have devices you need to know about. Ready to see which one fits your needs? Let's jump right in. Number 7 Wybot High-End Robotic Pool Cleaner. The Wybot High-End Cordless Wall Climbing Robotic Pool Cleaner is a game-changer for pool maintenance. Its cordless design offers hassle-free operation, and the wall climbing feature ensures every inch of the pool is spotless, including hard-to-reach vertical surfaces. The cleaner is user-friendly, with intuitive controls and efficient cleaning cycles, making pool upkeep a breeze. The battery life is impressive, lasting long enough for thorough cleaning sessions, while its sleek, lightweight design adds to its appeal. Though it comes at a premium price, its performance and convenience justify the investment, making it a must-have for pool owners who value both time and pristine results. Number 6 Wybot C1 Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. The Wybot C1 Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner is a reliable and efficient solution for maintaining a sparkling clean pool. Its cordless design eliminates the hassle of tangled wires, offering smooth and easy maneuverability. The C1 is equipped with strong suction power, capable of tackling debris, dirt, and even smaller particles with ease. Its lightweight build makes it simple to handle, and the battery life is sufficient for a full cleaning session. While it doesn't climb walls like some higher-end models, it excels at floor cleaning and provides excellent value for its price. Perfect for those seeking a straightforward, effective pool cleaner. Number 5 BeatBot AquaSense Pro Robot Vacuum. The BeatBot AquaSense Pro Pool Robot Vacuum stands out as a top-tier choice for pool maintenance with its advanced features and reliable performance. Its intelligent navigation system ensures thorough and efficient cleaning, covering the pool floor, walls, and waterline with precision. The AquaSense Pro boasts powerful suction, effectively removing debris, algae, and fine particles. Its ergonomic, cordless design offers hassle-free operation, while the long-lasting battery ensures uninterrupted cleaning sessions. Though slightly on the pricier side, the combination of cutting-edge technology and durable build quality makes it an excellent investment for pool owners seeking a pristine and low-maintenance pool experience. Number 4 Polaris 9650 IQ Sport Robotic Cleaner. The Polaris 9650 IQ Sport Robotic Cleaner combines smart technology with exceptional cleaning power, making it a standout choice for pool owners. Equipped with IoT connectivity, it allows remote control and scheduling via a smartphone app, offering unparalleled convenience. Its 4-wheel drive system ensures superior maneuverability, easily handling obstacles and cleaning all pool surfaces, including walls and the waterline. With a large debris canister and strong suction, it tackles dirt and leaves efficiently. While the premium price may deter some, its intelligent features, robust performance, and reliable build make it a worthwhile investment for maintaining a spotless pool with minimal effort. Number 3 Zodiac 9550 Sport Robotic In-Ground Pool. The Zodiac 9550 Sport Robotic In-Ground Pool Cleaner delivers powerful performance and advanced features for effortless pool maintenance. Its motion-sensing remote control and 4-wheel drive system provide precise maneuverability, allowing it to tackle challenging pool layouts and surfaces, including walls and the waterline. The active scrubbing brush and vortex vacuum technology ensure efficient removal of debris, dirt, and even stubborn algae. The easy-access debris canister simplifies cleanup, while its programmable timer adds convenience. Though slightly bulky and at a higher price point, the Zodiac 9550 Sport's durability and top-notch cleaning capabilities make it an excellent choice for pool owners seeking superior results. Number 2 Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Wi-Fi Pool Vacuum Cleaner. The Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Wi-Fi offers a seamless blend of smart technology and efficient cleaning performance, making it a top pick for pool owners. Its Wi-Fi connectivity allows for easy scheduling and control via a user-friendly app, providing unmatched convenience. Equipped with dual scrubbing brushes and powerful suction, it effectively tackles dirt, debris, and algae, leaving both the floor and walls spotless. The cleaner's energy-efficient design and advanced filtration system ensure thorough cleaning while keeping costs low. Although it lacks a waterline scrubbing feature, its robust performance and smart capabilities make it a reliable and worthwhile investment for pool maintenance. Number 1 Dolphin Automatic Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner. The Dolphin Automatic Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner is a dependable choice for hassle-free pool maintenance. Designed for ease of use, it features plug-and-play functionality and requires no additional hoses or pumps. Its advanced scrubbing brushes and powerful filtration system efficiently clean pool floors, walls, and waterlines, removing dirt, debris, and algae with precision. The lightweight design makes handling and storage convenient, while its energy-efficient operation reduces costs. Although it may not include smart connectivity or app controls found in higher-end models, its reliability, solid performance, and value-oriented pricing make it a great option for maintaining a sparkling clean pool. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. If you're interested in buying any of the products we covered today, check out the links in the description below for the best deals. Let me know in the comments which one caught your eye or if you have any questions. Until next time, keep exploring the world of tech. See you in the next video.